What is hantavirus and why is it scaring the world at the moment? It is not a new virus, but it recently appeared on a cruise ship coming from Latin America and it's causing global panic. It travels inside mice, and while it doesn't make the mice sick, but they leave the virus behind in their droppings, pee, and their nests. When they get dry and dusty, the tiny virus particles can float up into the air like invisible smoke. If you breathe that dust in while cleaning an old shed or a dusty garage, the virus hitches a ride into your lungs. Once inside, it acts like a confusing alarm that makes your body's defense system overreact, and it gets very messy. At first, it feels like a normal flu with a fever and sore muscles, but it can quickly make it very hard to breathe. The good news is that you can't catch it from your friends or family, you can only get it from those dusty rodent messes. Scientists are working hard on medicines, but the best superpower we have right now is just keeping our houses clean and tidy. If you ever see mouse droppings in a dusty place, don't sweep them up. That just kicks the virus into the air. Instead, use soapy water and bleach to safely trap the virus so it can't float. Always remember to wear gloves and a mask if you're cleaning out an old, dusty place or a dark basement. What is your best advice to keep your place clean and tidy? Let us know in the comments. Stay curious, stay clean, and we'll see you next Sunday for another big answer.